So I know most of you are stuck, really stuck, like seriously stuck on 10 subscribers, 20 subscribers, 50 subscribers, but you really feel like you want to have 1k subscribers, 10k subscribers, 100k subscribers. Do what I'm going to tell you in this video. I promise you, in 1 month, in just 1 month, you will hit 1k subscribers, 10k subscribers, 100 subscribers, just like that. So if you happen to land on this video, or if I'm new to your channel, if I am new to your screen today, my name is Joy and this is Joy Nation TV. So today I'm going to tell you what you can really do to hit 1,000 subscribers or 2,000 subscribers. Yeah, many of you are yearning or are trying to create long form videos, but long form videos will get you views, but it will be very hard to get you subscribers. So what am I trying to say? Try by all means to create short form videos. Did I say so? Yes, short form videos. If you try to make short form videos, they will give you a lot of views and a lot of subscribers. You might be out of ideas. You might be thinking that, oh, what type of content should I create in short form videos? You can go in these gospel songs and you do challenges. You understand? If you go to your YouTube shorts, and then you find that there are some gospel songs which are trending, which are getting a lot of views, which are getting a lot of attention, you can do challenges in those short form videos. Yeah, so this has helped me a lot, guys. Like, it has really done a lot of improvement on my channel. If you scroll into my videos, you can surely see that my videos, my long form videos, have low views than short form videos. And in the same way, my short form videos has brought me a lot of subscribers, you know, a lot of subscribers compared to long form videos. Yes, long form videos will help you to catch watch. These long form videos will actually help you to catch time watch hours. You understand? But these short form videos will help you to catch the subscribers you really want. At this moment, we are focusing on subscribers, not watch hours. Am I clear? We are focusing on subscribers. Then after getting subscribers, that's when we shall go to get ideas on how we can get watch hours. So if you really want to catch 10k subscribers, 20k subscribers, 2,000, 4,000 subscribers just within 1 month, kindly go and watch my short form videos. You will surely see that they are getting a lot of views, a lot of views and a lot of subscribers. You understand? Then after getting subscribers, there will be good to go and start creating long form videos. But there is one challenge. You will find that you are creating short form videos. They are getting a lot of views, a lot of likes, a lot of comments, and then at the same time you find that when you start creating long form videos, your subscribers will not be interested in your long form videos because they have been loving your short form videos, those gospel songs you do challenges in. But when you start creating long form videos, your subscribers sometimes will get lost, will get confused, will not be seen anywhere. But still, you can fix that. I don't want you to lose hope and be like, oh, I'll do short form videos, and then after doing short form videos, I'll get a lot of subscribers, and then when I switch to long form videos, my subscribers will not be interested in my long form videos. No, please, you will still sort it out. I had was it 100 subscribers, and then when I started creating these short form videos, doing challenges in these gospel songs that are trending, so far I have 5,000 subscribers and counting. And I have got these 5,000 subscribers just within a short period of time, like 2 months or 3 months. You understand? So if you try to create short form videos at first, you'll get a lot of subscribers, and then after getting a lot of subscribers, you will figure it out on how to get watch time. You understand? Because sometimes you'll be like that your subscribers who have subscribed to your channel will be interested in your long form videos, because it will depend on what type of content you are creating. You understand? Yeah. So if you really want subscribers, try to create short form videos. Short form videos. They will bring you a lot of subscribers. You will not regret. So let me hope, guys, you are going to try this out, and then if you try it out, kindly come back and give us testimony. Come back and tell us what happened when you tried to create short form videos. Thank you, guys. Thank you for watching. I really wish you good luck. Bye bye.